Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we will continue with the part of our science, that is the measurement of matter. So today we are going to discuss about the mole concept, and it is really very important one. Okay, so now understand the mole concept. Mole concept. See, we know atoms are the smallest particle of universe and which cannot be divided further. What is atom? The smallest particle of universe that cannot be divided further is called as atom. So atom is a really very tiny particle that we cannot see with our naked eyes. दैट मीन्स वो इतने छोटे पार्टिकल होते हैं कि हम उनको अपनी नेकेड आई से ऑब्जर्व भी नहीं कर सकते. दैट मीन्स अब हमको उसका वेट करना है. सो कैन वी वेट बाय यूजिंग द वेइंग मशीन ऑफ एटम? नो, हम एटम को वेइंग मशीन का यूज करके उसका मास कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. सो देन व्हाट विल डू देन? सो वी कैन understood the mole concept by which we can measure the mass of an atom. Okay, so the mole concept which is given by the Avogadros, and the mole concept is equals to, see, the mole is nothing but the number of particles present in, what is mole concept? It is, we have to write the value of mole now. So mole or we can say 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay, हम अगर बात कर रहे हैं 1 मोल की तो हम इतने पार्टिकल्स की बात कर रहे हैं. दैट इज 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 इतने पार्टिकल्स की बात करते हैं. एंड दिस नंबर इज गिवन बाय the scientist called Avogadro's. That's why this number is also called as Avogadro's number. It's called as Avogadro's number because this number is discovered by the Avogadro's. So what is the relation between mole concept and the molar mass of the element or compound? So we know mole equals to mass of an atom, or we can say mass of the compound divided by molar mass of compound, or we can say in short mass divided by molar mass. We can say mass divided by molar mass. मोल्स को हम m से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो मोल इज नथिंग बट m. इट इज m एंड विच इज इक्वल्स टू 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. देन मास, व्हाट इज मास? मास को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं w से. सो व्हाट इज मास? इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट इन एन एटम. अमाउंट of matter. Generally the amount of matter which is taken in gram or kilogram. Okay, then we have molar mass. Molar mass को हम कैपिटल M से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. So what is molar mass? It is the sum of mass of each atom present in compound. It is the sum of atomic masses of it is the sum of atomic masses of each atom of the compound. Okay, it's called as molar mass. So simply what will be the moles equals to? We can write n equals to, what is mass? It is w. So w divided by what is मोलर मास इट इज कैपिटल M. सो एक एटम को वेट करना या फिर कितनी हीट एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है या रिलीज कर रहा है, all these physical quantities we cannot measure for one particular atom. That's why we using the bulk properties of atom. That means if we will say 1 mole, that means we are considering the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं moles की, so हम इतने particles की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this is all about the mole concept. So what is mole? It is the ratio of mass of an atom to its molar mass, or we can say mass of the compound or product to its molar mass. Okay, so we have to define moles now. So what will be the definition of moles? The mole is the ratio of mass to molar mass. It is the ratio of mass to the molar mass is called as mole. Okay, understood? So now we will understood few examples so that we can understand about the mole concept. Okay, so write it down now. So now we will understand how to apply and how to calculate number of moles and number of particles. Okay, so the important formula that we have, N is number of moles, which is equals to mass divided by molar mass. And for number of particles, if we want to calculate number of particles, which is equals to N into Avogadro's number. Okay, so what is Avogadro's number? It is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so to understand the mole concept, we have to understand one example. Okay, so we have one example. Calculate number of moles and number of particles in 90 gram of water. In 90 gram of water, we have to calculate number of moles and number of particles. Here we have number of mole, that is N, and number of particle is Np. Okay, both we have to calculate in 90 gram of water. Okay, so solution. So in solution, we have to write the given first. So what is given? Given is W. W is what? The mass. Mass is W of water. So we have to write W of H2O is 90 gram. 90 gram. Then molar mass of H2O. So how to calculate molar mass? So we have H2O molecule. Water का molecule है. So we know the mass of hydrogen is. What is molar mass? It is the sum of atomic masses of each atom present in any molecule or compound. So hydrogen का atomic mass कितना है? 1 है. But number of hydrogen atoms are 2. So we have to multiply by 2. So atomic mass of H2 is 2. Then atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 plus 2 is 18. So the molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. It is the unit of molar mass, gram per mole, or we can write gram mole inverse also. Okay, so or we can write gram mole inverse. Mole inverse is nothing but per mole. Okay, now we know N equals to, what is N? It is the number of mole, or we can say Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. It is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Is anything that we have? No. Now we have to write to find. To find. So what we have to find? We have to find number of moles of H2O and number of particle of H2O. The number of particle equals to question mark of water that we have to calculate. So this we have to identify, that is number of moles and number of particles. Okay, so solution. So solution we have to use the black ink. Now, so solution we have to identify first the number of mole, or we have to write the formula now. Formula. What is formula? It is N, that is number of mole, equals to mass divided by molar mass, and number of particle equals to, we have number of particle equals to, we have N into Avogadro's number. Okay, so these two formula we have to use. So solution, we have N equals to W divided by capital N. So N is of what? N of H2O. So N equals to, mass of water is 90 gram. So we have to write 90 gram divided by, molar mass is 18 gram per mole. So we have to write 18 gram mole inverse. Mole inverse is nothing but per mole. So gram and gram will get cancelled, and 90 is cancelled by 18 by 5. 18 1 is 18 and 18 5s are 90. So number of mole of water equals to 5 C. Mole अभी inverse में है और denominator में. When we will take mole into numerator will come in mole form. इसका जो power है -1 हो जाएगा +1. That is mole हो जाएगा. Okay. So number of mole of water in 90 gram of water is 5 mole. Now we have to calculate number of particles of H2O in 90 gram, or we can say in 5 mole. Okay, so what is formula? Number of particle equals to N, that is number of mole, into Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and its unit is particle per mole. Particle per mole, and N is 5 mole. So we have to put the value now. Now number of particle equals, what is N? It is 5 mole into Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles per mole. Per mole means ये अभी divide में, so per mole and mole will get cancelled. So we will get number of particles now. So we have to multiply 5 to this number. So number of particle equals to 5 2s are 10. 10 का 0 carry करेगा 1. 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 11 का 1 carry करेगा again 1. 5 0 is 0 and 1 का 1. And 5 6 are 30. See, point जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है 3 के बाद में, सो 1 2 3 के बाद में हमको पॉइंट देना पड़ेगा. इनटू वी हैव 10 to the power 23 particles. So this is the answer, or we can write this in again in simpler form as number of particle equals to 3.011 into 10 to the power 24. देखो पॉइंट को हमने इस साइड में शिफ्ट किया, यहाँ पर और 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 10 का मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाएगा, तो 10 to the power will 24 particles. Okay, so this is the way we have to identify and calculate the number of moles and the number of particles of any compound. So this mole concept is really very important. This is really very important because this is going to use in your next standard, in 10th also, in 11th 12th. जब तक आप केमिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे, that mole concept is not going to leave you. Okay, so that's why it is very very important. Okay, so what is mole concept? It is the number of moles. What is moles? It is the ratio of mass to the molar mass of any compound. So mole concept says if you will multiply number of moles to the Avogadro's number, you can calculate the number of particles of any compound. Okay, so this is all about mole concept. Okay, so the homework for you, you have to calculate how many molecules are there in 66 gram of, how many molecules of CO2 in, or molecule in 66 gram of CO2. Okay, so for that you have to identify the mole first. So we know mole, that is N equals to mass divided by molar mass. So on that basis you can calculate number of mole. After calculating number of mole, you have to calculate the number of molecule. So then you will have to apply number of particle or number of molecule of CO2 equals to n, जो आपका नंबर ऑफ मोल आएगा वो, एंड इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 से, दैट इज द एवोगैड्रोस नंबर. ओके, तो किसी भी नंबर ऑफ मोल को अगर आप एवोगैड्रोस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन हम कहेंगे दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स और नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. So you have to identify number of mole by the using this formula, mass divided by molar mass, and that number of mole you have to multiply by this number, Avogadro's number, and you will get the number of molecule of carbon dioxide in 66 gram of it. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो.